Today we have a 2007 Mercedes Benz C230. We're replacing all 6 spark plugs as well as 1 ignition coil for P0302. So let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the air cleaner box here. You're going to pop this cover up, just pops right off. Pull this hose back as well as the air trunks here. Just kind of wiggle it back on both ends. And then sometimes, on some of them, they'll have a little clip here you just push back, but this one apparently doesn't. So once you do all that, just pop it right up. It's just held in by these grommets down here. And let's go ahead and get it out the way and get it swapped out. Alright, y'all, so now that everything's exposed, it's very simple. This is cylinder number 2, so this is the coil that we'll be replacing. The orders are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the right side of the engine, aka the driver's side, is bank 1, or, cylinder 1. Anyways, so going at it, we're going to go ahead and disconnect all the connectors, and with the T30, we're going to go ahead and remove all of the ignition coils, and then we'll get started on the spark plug. Alright, y'all, now all the coils removed, we're going to go ahead and remove all the spark plugs and replace them. So we're going to torque it down 23 newton meters or 17 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of using a 5/8 spark plug socket, and then I'm going to throw the coils back on. Alright, y'all, so spark plugs are in, torqued down. I'll put all the coils back on, 2 T30s back in. So now we're just going to go ahead and reconnect everything. And one last thing, make sure when you're doing so, this clip here is pushed all the way in. You don't want the vibration to cause it to back out and give you a false misfire. So that's pretty much it, guys. Gotta throw the air cleaner box back on, and we are done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.